Hello my fellow Korean skincare lovers, I wish you all a happy and healthy new year. 2020 has been one heck of a year and let's just hope that this new year will be better. To kick off 2021, I have created this mini Korean skincare box for glowing skin with 13 different products. And this is a great set if you are a beginner who is new to Korean skincare and wants to give it a try, or if you have been using Korean skincare for some time and you want to try out some new products without having to spend the money on full-size products. The skincare products selected in this box help to even out the skin tone, restore the skin's moisture barrier, and brighten up the complexion. I put the link for this skincare set in the description box below, so make sure to check it out if you want to get your hands on this. Now let's dive into the box and see what you can expect to find. The first product that I'm going to mention is this cat ear hair bun, because not only does it keep your hair away from your face during the skincare routine, but it's also super cute and just makes the whole skincare routine more fun. I've been using mine for years and years and I just love it so much, and that's why I really wanted to include it into this box. Next up we have the Hamish All Clean Bun. This one is probably one of the most popular cleansing balms from Korea, and if you wear makeup like me, then you will love double cleansing. I like to use it as my first step of my nighttime skincare routine, and I just take a small amount and gently massage it into the skin until it dissolves all my makeup, and then I rinse my face with warm water to remove everything. Then I follow up with the Hyggee Hyaluron Gel Cleanser, and this has quickly become one of my favorite cleansers because it's very gentle, and I think it's just as good, if not slightly better than the COSRX Low pH Good Morning Cleanser. I tend to have dry skin, and now that it's winter, I will try to avoid cleansers that are too stripping for my skin because it's already dry as it is. What makes this cleanser so special is that it's infused with 8 different types of hyaluronic acid to restore the skin's moisture barrier, and I've just been really enjoying it. For toners, we have 3 different ones, and I'm really excited about that because I love toners. Ever since I started using them, I noticed how much better my skin has become, and they have definitely improved my skincare routine dramatically. The first toner that I'll talk about is the Sonempart Beauty Water. This one is an award-winning toner that is also a 2-in-1 product because it can be used as a toner or as a cleansing water. You can either use it in the morning to remove dead skin cells and create a smooth canvas for your makeup, or at nighttime after washing the face to remove any remaining impurities. This toner contains papaya extract to mildly exfoliate and brighten up the skin, as well as witch hazel water to reduce inflammation and breakouts. Next up we have the ISNTREE Hyaluronic Acid Toner. This one is another award-winning toner that is especially great for dry and dehydrated skin. It contains 3 different types of hyaluronic acid and it's formulated to be suitable for extra sensitive skin. When it comes to the consistency, it's a little bit more on the thicker side and it feels almost like a serum, but I actually like that because it feels extra hydrating and soothing. I also like to use it to create my own DIY sheet mask by just using one of those compressed sheet masks and adding some of the toner to this, and then leaving the sheet mask on the face for about 5 to 10 minutes, and my skin feels as good as new afterwards. The last toner I have here is the COSRX Hydrium Watery Toner. This one is a lightweight toner formulated with different types of hyaluronic acid, butylene glycol, glycerin, panthenol, and allantoin. And these are all amazing ingredients to hydrate and soothe the skin, but also to restore the skin's moisture barrier. For serums, I chose the Jumiso All Day Brightening and Balancing Serum, and this is an incredible serum that contains 80% sea buckthorn extract, 2% niacinamide and Centella asiatica extract, as well as vitamin A, B, C, E, and K. This really helps to restore, nourish, and revive the skin by giving it that extra boost that it needs. I think this is an all-around amazing serum that not only targets fine lines and hyperpigmentation to improve the complexion, but also helps to even out the skin tone. The next product I have here is the Benton Snail Bee High Content Essence. Benton is known for their Snail Bee skincare range, and for good reason. The snail mucin used in this essence is very gentle and soothing, and not only does it help to moisturize the skin, but it also helps to strengthen it. The bee venom in this product also targets fine lines and wrinkles for a more plumper and youthful complexion. On top of that, it contains various different plant extracts to nourish the skin, and this essence has a gel-like consistency that absorbs really easily into the skin without leaving any unwanted greasy or sticky feeling behind. You will also get 2 packs of the Hamish black tea mask packs. You can either use it as a regular moisturizer or as an overnight sleeping mask. It has a cooling effect that instantly reduces puffiness while deeply hydrating the skin. The key ingredients in this mask pack are black tea leaf extract to nourish the skin, lychee fruit extract, which is rich in antioxidants to protect the skin from free radicals, aloe leaf water to deeply soothe and reduce redness, while Centella asiatica helps to repair and restore the skin. I also want to include the Comleaf Surely Green face oil because it's one of the very few face oils that I actually like, and it's made of a blend with 10 different natural oils from avocado seed oil, jojoba seed oil, and sweet almond oil. My favorite way of using this is by mixing a couple of drops of this into my moisturizer to make it extra hydrating, and then I just gently pat it into my skin. Now, of course, sheet masks are a must in Korean skincare, so I have included 2 sheet masks. The first one is the Barlab Hyaluron mask to deeply hydrate the skin for those days when your skin feels really dry and tight. Then we have the green tea balancing mask by Barlab that nourishes and soothes the skin to reduce redness and give it that extra TLC when your skin is feeling a bit dull. Now, the last product in this Korean skincare box is actually not a skincare product, and it's the Faces sticker set by Pickles. Pickles is a small Korean artist that creates cute designs like these, so make sure to check them out on Instagram and send them some love and support. They absolutely deserve it, and I just wanted to include it because I love them so much, and I thought this cute sticker set would be a great way to maybe accessorize your skincare products or even use it for your calendar. That concludes the Korean skincare box for glowing skin. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to get your hands on the set, I put the link in the description box below. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to join our K-Beauty family, and I'll see you next time. Bye!